Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sanggi Rahmawati Nur Ain. I am from class 9C. Di video ini saya akan membuat hasil laporan tentang burung cendet yang berasal dari Jawa Timur. Number 1. Name of bird, Linnaeus skak. Number 2. What is it? Long-tailed crake. Number 3. To what other species is it related? Linnaeus stephanotus subspecies long-tailed crake and other species crake. Number 4. What does it look like? Slender body shape, black hook-like beak, and long black tail with white tip. Its distinctive features are a black mask on the face, a back that is generally gray with orange variation on the flanks, and black wings with white face. Number 5. Where does it live? The skrike likes open habitats such as grasslands, plantations, and dry fields, and can even be found at altitudes up to 130. Number 6. How does it move? The long-tailed skrike moves in the same way as birds, in general, namely using its feet to push its body off the ground and flapping its wings to produce lift so it can fly. Number 7. What does it eat? This bird is a predator that is large insects, grasshoppers, crickets, beetles, as well as small animals such as lizards, frogs, and other birds. Number 8. Is it endangered? The long-tailed skrike is in a warring condition its natural habitat, and most of it is threatened with extinction. Number 9. What are its predators? The natural predator of the long-tailed skrike are mammals, birds of prey, and reptiles. Sekian video dari saya tentang laporan burung cendet yang berasal dari Jawa Timur ini. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.